Let us talk in this video about binary division. Till now we have seen binary addition, subtraction, multiplication. In subtraction, remember we have seen ones complement method, which is the important part. This is what you should know. Then we had seen decimals, conversion from decimal number, say in a fraction, say 12.25, we were trying to convert it in a binary number. Okay, so now once we know about fractional numbers, let's go to binary division part. So today we will begin with the binary division, which is almost similar like we do it in decimal number system. Okay, remember in binary division, in our answer, whenever we are doing binary division, the answer will come in the form of zeros and ones only. So it is going to be simple. Let's take an example. Say I have to divide, say 1010 by 10. Okay. So when we divide this 1010 by 10, remember आपको हमें करना क्या है? Remember this is number 2. So 1 cannot be divided with. So we have to take 2 digits. Now 2 digits does not mean, suppose there was 00, then we would have taken 3 digits. It should be bigger. This side number should be bigger. जैसे हम डेसिमल में करते हैं, हम डेसिमल में भी तो यही करते हैं. अगर 7 है और हमें 43 करना है तो हम 4 तो लेंगे नहीं, हम सीधे 43 से डिवाइड करेंगे. Okay, so same way here we will take a number which is equal or maybe higher than this. So anyway we take these 2 digits here. So 10. How many times it will go? It will go either 1 time or 0 time. कुछ करना ही नहीं है. अब this 1 is to be multiplied with this 0, so answer will be 10, and we minus it. What do we get? Finished. Now what do? We carry this 1. Okay. Now this 1, remember, it cannot be divided. क्यों? क्योंकि ये छोटा है. So we have to make it bigger. This number is to be made bigger because this is 2 and this is 1. 1 cannot be divided by 2. It is still smaller. तो क्या करेंगे हम? जैसे हम डेसिमल में करते थे, we write 0 and then we carry this 0 down. Is that clear? We write 0 and we carry this 0. And now you see here 1, 1 0. So what is the answer? 101. 1010 divided by 10 equals to 101. If you want to check it, this is 1248. How much? 10. Divided by 2 should be equal to 5. And what is this? 124. Remember the place values? So 4 and 1, 5. Can you see here? This is the binary number. Let's take some other example. Okay. So I hope you're understanding what I am saying. Let's take some other example. Say 10. Let's take a bigger number. Let's try to divide this. Okay. Okay. 1 से तो करेंगे नहीं, हम फिर क्या लेंगे? 1 1. So 1 time गया, we multiply it. Remember 10 will be multiplied with 1. So what do we get? 10. जैसे हम डेसिमल में करते हैं, we subtract it. 1 में से 0 गया, 1 यहाँ पे गायब. अब ये 1 कैरी होगा, ठीक है, और ये नंबर बड़ा है इसलिए सीधे हम इसको डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. क्यों नंबर बड़ा है? क्योंकि ये बेटा 2 है और ये 3 है. दिस इज 3. So again it will go 1 time only. I again write 10, minus it. Minus you already know. 1. This is over. Okay. Now what do? We carry this 1. Again it will go 1 time. 10 minus, again 1 is left. Now we carry this 1. What do? 10, again 1. 1. We carry this 0 down. 1 time. 10. Now what is left is this 0 is left. Is that clear? So dear, this 0 you don't have to leave it. Remember 0 has a place value over there. ये अगर हम हटा देंगे तो ये इसकी वैल्यू ही पूरी चेंज हो जाएगी. So this 0. So what do? We carry 0. We in the answer, 0 will be added, then only it will become 0, and then the final answer is calculated. Nothing is left, no digits are left. So what do we get? 0, 0 divided by 1, 0 equals to, if you want to check it, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 64 and 16, 80 and 90, 100, 112, 120, 124. Divided by 2 equals to 62. So this should be my 62. We can check it. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 32, 8, 40, 50, 56, 4, 62, 62. This is perfect. Okay. I hope you have got it. Remember, this last 0 also, we are carrying it down. Then only the answer is coming, because 0, then when you multiply it with 0, we get 0, 0, and then it is over. Okay, so this digit is to be taken care of. I hope you have understood. Let's take one more example of maybe a fractional number. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay, let's try to divide it. 1, ये 1 तो अपने आप आ गया, लेकिन ये 1 डिवाइड नहीं हो सकता, तो हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ 0 लगाएंगे और हम एक और 1 कॉपी करेंगे. Is that clear? So now 1 से जाएगा, 1, 0, we subtract, we get 1. This 0 is copied down as it is. It goes one time. 1, 0. Now what is left is 1. So it will not go. Is that clear? So we write 0. Is that clear? And then we write point. Okay. And then, like we say now, when we write point, we can add, because it is, we are going to go further. We are going to go further. Okay. So point. So it will come 1. Okay. Let's check this answer. What is it? 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1 divided by 1, 0 equals to 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0.1. Okay. What is this? 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 32, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. This is 8. 32, 8, 40, 44, 45 divided by 2. So it will be 22.5. Is that clear? So let's check this answer. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 16, 4, 20, 22. Point. Remember, इस तरफ क्या होता है? 1/2. So what is 1/2? 0.5. And only 1 is there above 1. So what is the answer? 22.5. I hope you have understood. Okay. So this is for today. In the next video, we will again take up few more divisions so that you can understand it better. Let me tell you, main thing is that we should be knowing binary addition, subtraction, especially subtraction, one's complement. Okay. Division is not asked a lot, but it is simple subtraction. Okay. So let's stop this video today, and in the next video we'll take up few more binary divisions. Bye.